Okay, so here's the pommel. Okay, I want to basically find the center point on that. And what I'm using is actually using a centering jig. What this does basically slides over like so. And you can basically press it up against it and you can line, rotate it, line. I do a bunch of these. I'm going to do it on both sides because just like the handle, I'm going to actually come from both sides of the, I'm going to basically execute it by coming from one side to the other. The reason why I do that, going from one side and going halfway and the other side and going halfway, is that if you just try and go from one direction, your drill bit can actually deflect a little bit and not really come out the center of it. So if I go from this side and go to that side, I'm going to actually be threading both sides because actually one side goes onto the tang. The other side, I actually use a little fake button, basically, which is just going to be a piece of steel. This is a steel bolt, actually, they're going to put in there. Now I'm going to ding this with a center punch, okay, so that my drill bit doesn't zoom or doesn't move around. And there we go. So I got a little mark. I got a little mark. I'm going to actually use. It's very important with these taps. I get this tap pretty much from Lowe's here, and it basically has a 6mm by 1mm thread. Okay, this is a really nice set because they're really not very expensive, but it has the exact drill bit and the exact threading piece there. So what I'm going to do is basically drill with that one, and then I'll thread with this when I get all finished. Okay, I like to keep them in their packs too, so we don't lose them. This is actually technically a 13/64 bit, though, if you really need it, just to